Okay, we are here. Let's go.
Hey man.
Hey, what's up?
Okay, we are here at the local supermarket. We are going. You are going to try to learn how to fly FPV indoors in the closed supermarket. So you're gonna try not to break everything, and here we go.
So basically we are going to be filming inside the grocery store, and you have all these shelves full of stuff. We will try to not hit them with the Cinewhoop drone. It will be my first time actually driving the drone, so let's hope it will go as good as we planned.
This is the FPV drone. It's for cinematic flying, so slow, precise. And then this is a little fun Cinewhoop. With this, you're going to try to learn how to fly FPV. So it doesn't fit. What do? Take our rubber band, feed it through somehow. There it is. Not the perfect solution, but it somehow works.
That I'm such a weirdo. Tattoos from my toes to my earlobes. Was a role model, I never had a hero. I learned how to live through the stereo. Coming from where I come from, the inferior. Everything you see ain't what it appears though. Everything that I built, made that from zero, then added a zero. I am my hero. You couldn't imagine what it's like in my mind. It's beauty and catastrophe at the same time. Remember they laughed at me when it was game time. Now I know that they mad at me. I'm one you can't find. I'm not from the day. I come alive at night. I'm not what you used to, couldn't recognize. They all on the ground while I'm taking flight. Yeah, you're welcome to join me. I promise I won't bite.
Things they say, they're never getting in my way. And even if I make mistakes, I will always see them through. Cause I don't wanna play your game. I had enough, I'm burning up so hot I just break your chain. You can never stop what's building up inside of me.
I guess I don't fit in with the imposters. I'm taking the mask off, prepare your conscience, prepare for honest, cut off all the nonsense. I'm all in your chakra, wonder who shot you. Go call the doctor, boom like the chopper.
So what's your comment on flying with this tiny drone?
It's somehow really fast. It's a racing drone, so it must be fast. You're gonna try to tame it, basically. That's what we're doing. We're flying in acro, so no helpers. The gyro doesn't do anything. So you're gonna try to basically level the drone with your sticks, and if you somehow mess that up, it's 100% going to result in crash. So
No pressure.
no pressure. It's pretty durable, so we're gonna see. So this is your arm switch, makes the propellers go, and then this is your pre-switch. So
Okay.
you got with one finger press this one, and then you flick this one, and then you start your journey.
I'm actually really nervous. It's because in the simulator I did not fly with the FPV goggles, so that's something new.
Okay. Okay. You're up. Okay.
Okay. The
So,
second try. God
Good luck.
damn. Now I'm even more nervous. Let's try. Fuck!
Look, så bäst.
Whoa!
It's okay!
Did it!
Okay, that's it for the learning part. So, what have you learned?
I learned that even though I was driving the drone in this simulator for almost 2 months now, like every day or every other day, it's definitely different driving in real time because you have goggles. It's something new. In the simulator you didn't have that option, and there is a sense of driving in the real environment, like in the shop, where things can go bad, and you have that a little bit of a nerve-wracking situation, like state of mind, and you are trying to level it up, and there are some points where you just go berserk. So I think that's the main difference, because in the simulator you are obviously in the computer program, you feel that you can do anything, and when you come to real life you are a little bit more calm.
Yeah. Okay, alright guys, so that is it. We're gonna leave you with one GoPro cinematic shot, and we'll catch you on the next one.